Olafur Eliasson's interest in large-scale immersive installations, and his fascination with structure and form naturally led him to evolve into architectural works, and your rainbow panorama successfully blurs the boundaries between art and architecture. It is a permanent work installed on top of the ARoS Kunstmuseum in Denmark, consisting of a circular walkway surrounded by multicolored transparent panels representing the full spectrum of colors. The large structure extends from one edge of the museum's facade to the other. The vivid rainbow colors invite visitors to walk around the structure and experience panoramic views of the city through the different hues. The slender columns that support the structure give the impression that the static work is floating above the building, further enhancing the viewer's experience. With this work, Olafur Eliasson also strives to enhance the viewer's experience by creating a dramatic visual impact through a unique interpretation of light. By representing light through the color spectrum, he creates a space through which the viewer can see the city in an original way. The reason he does this, as he explains, is that he is particularly interested in how the light in a space determines how we see that space, and similarly, how light and color are actually phenomena within us, in our own eyes. Like the video and subscribe to not miss our next videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon on Art Theory.